lot of y'all had questions about how the house held up or how the kitchen held up after we did the renovation. So if y'all don't know, we renovated the kitchen 2 years ago. It was February 2019. Now it is February 2021. So it's been 2 years, and y'all want to know how it held up. So my mother is here. I'm gonna ask her. So the first thing that we did, well, the main thing that we did was paint. So the cabinets were really dark brown, and not only did we paint the cabinets, but I made them look like shaker style cabinets because they were just flat fronts. So we put some wood trim around them, and then I painted them with I get this question all the time too. I painted them with not epoxy. Is it epoxy? Pre-catalyzed. We painted them with pre-catalyzed acrylic paint. And pre-catalyzed paint, from how it was explained to us, was it hardens really, really hard. So once it hardens, it's pretty much there. And you can spill stuff on it and it wipes right off. So it's perfect for kitchens. We got it from Sherwin-Williams. So if y'all are looking for something really durable for your kitchen, go to Sherwin-Williams, ask them for pre-catalyzed paint, and you can get it in any color. We just went with white because she wanted a white kitchen. So have you had any difficulties with the paint job that we did?
No, actually it was pretty simple, easy to wipe clean, easy for us to maintain. I loved it then and I love it now.
All right. Okay, so something else that we did, y'all, we also resurfaced the countertops. Now, yes. The resurfacing of the countertops was a spray that was done. And when I went through, I do see just a couple of small nicks, nothing major, just pretty much on the edges right here. Did y'all have any big problems with the resurfacing?
No, we had no big problems with the resurfacing. It's like, y'all came in here and did y'all thing, and everything just stayed. I mean, so,
y'all heard that?
Yes,
we did our thing.
Yeah, they did their thing.
That's what she said. She said
and a design. You said Antonio and a design. It's them. Yeah, they did a good job.
So yeah, so we did our thing. So y'all have been asking. It has held up well. So let me tell y'all how well it has held up. Well, showed y'all it's held up well, but they're moving. And that was actually the main reason for us redoing the kitchen for them, because the kitchen was so old and dated and it had a bunch of nicks and stuff, and they knew that they were going to be moving soon. So they're moving. It is time to move now. So y'all, I know y'all see some boxes and stuff in the background. Mm-hmm. Today is actually like their last day in the house. My mama has been in this house for
33 years.
33 years. And today is the last day in the house. So
yeah.
They are moving. And I'm saying that because their house was on the market for
less than 3 weeks.
Less than 3 weeks, and they got a really good offer. And I don't know, do you think you would have got that offer if we had not done what we did?
Absolutely not. It was dated.
Okay. Okay. So I know some of y'all were just asking, should you do this? Is it worth it? To me, especially if your house is older, Mama, this house was built in the late
1975.
75.
It was totally worth it.
Yeah. So this house was built in 75, and like she said, it was totally worth it. And this was a DIY project. We did not call in any huge contractors for anything. The countertop resurfacing, we did call in a friend of ours, but that's even something that they offer at Home Depot. They have countertop kits, and you can paint and do it yourself. Mm-hmm. So other than that, this was all DIY. And she was able to sell the house in less than 3 weeks. She was able to get top dollar for it, and does not think that would have been able to be done without what we did in here. So y'all asking, is it worth it? It's definitely worth it. Definitely paint your cabinets if you need to paint your cabinets.
Yes.
Yeah. So, and the person that bought it, what did he say when he came in here?
Well, actually, he came in and he said, y'all have a beautiful home.
Mm-hmm. So, yeah. He was pleased with it. So, yeah.
He was.
I think it's worth it. And y'all see it's held up well. Now, there is one spot, and I'll insert the clip right here. So, in the, utensil drawer, that's a knife drawer, and just by the knives constantly hitting and scraping, there was some little touch up that needed to be done, but it was minor.
And we did that, and we do not do it yourself.
Yeah. so it was minor. So once you get you a good gallon of this pre-catalyzed paint, just keep it in your garage, keep it on hand. So if you do have nicks and scratches like that from knives, you can just touch it up and be good. So yeah. So that's what we did.
I know, I still love it.
Yeah. But
Especially
her new house is gonna be bigger and better, and this is nothing compared to what's coming. So yeah. So we hope you guys got the information that you needed from this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section, and y'all know I always get back to all of y'all about y'all's questions. But go for it, y'all. Paint those cabinets, resurface those countertops, put up some backsplash, whatever you need to do, you can do it, and you can do it yourself. So I'll holla at y'all on the next one.